In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into a Blackmagic Cloud account in DaVinci Resolve. If you're planning to use cloud-based features inside DaVinci Resolve, the first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Blackmagic Cloud account from within the program. The process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and making sure the application is fully loaded. You can be on the main project screen or inside a project, as long as the top menu bar is visible. What you're looking for is the File menu, which is located at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to projects, importing, exporting, and account settings. From this menu, move your cursor down until you find the option labeled Blackmagic Cloud Account. You don't need to click it right away if it opens as a submenu when you hover. Simply place your cursor over Blackmagic Cloud Account and a side menu should appear. In that side menu, click Sign In. This will open the sign-in window for Blackmagic Cloud. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your account details, type in the email address and password associated with your Blackmagic Cloud account, then continue with the sign-in process on screen. As you enter your information, take a moment to make sure everything is typed correctly, especially your email address and password. If the sign-in doesn't work the first time, it's often due to a small typo or an incorrect password, so double-checking can save time. Also, make sure you're connected to the internet, since signing into a cloud account requires an active connection. Once your details are accepted, you'll be signed in, and your Blackmagic Cloud account will be connected to DaVinci Resolve. From there, you'll be able to access the cloud-related features available through your account directly inside the software. That's all there is to it. Open the File menu, hover over Blackmagic Cloud account, click Sign In, and enter your details. It's a quick setup step, but an important one if you want to use Blackmagic Cloud features smoothly inside DaVinci Resolve.